Choose fully ripened sweet cherries to increase the likelihood of viable seeds. Eat some cherries and wash their pits. The actual seeds are inside the outer hard shell of the pit. Removing the outer hard shell without breaking the seed is challenging. Broken seeds will not germinate. Now see how to split open the seeds. To split open the pits, you can use a plier. The variable gap in the plier helps to hold the seeds of different sizes. You can increase the gap depending on the pit size. To split open the seeds without breaking them, it is important to hit the correct side of the pit. Hitting at the round side of the pit will break the seed. Hitting at the line side of the pit will split open the pit. Hold the line sides between the plier and hit lightly, the pit will open and the seed will come out. If you fail to take out the seeds, still you can germinate the seeds with shells as shown next. The seeds without shells will take less time to germinate. Next step is seed stratification. Cherry seeds and cherry pits require a period of cold stratification to simulate winter conditions necessary for germination. For stratification process, take a paper towel and place the seeds, with or without shells on them. Fold the paper and spray some water on it to dampen it. Then wrap it in a polythene sheet and place in the fridge for about 3 months. Open the bag every 10 days and check for germination. You may need to change the paper, if mold develops. Note that the seed without shell has sprouted. Whereas the seeds with shells have swollen and ready to germinate. As all the seeds have been stratified, both germinated and not germinated seeds will grow. Planting the stratified seeds. The next step is to plant the stratified seeds in the soil. Take a small pot having several drainage holes. Prepare soil by mixing soil, compost and river sand in equal amount. The sand makes the soil free-draining. Fill the pot with this free-draining potting soil. Plant the seed about 1 centimeter below the soil. Water and place the pot in shade at a warm place. Make sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. The seedlings will grow in a few days depending on the temperature. This seedling has grown in 10 days. The seeds with shells may take a bit longer to grow seedlings. You can transplant the cherry seedlings to larger pots or ground when they grow 3 to 4 sets of leaves. Place the new cherry plants in full sun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, see you next time.